Welcome to the guide to Revolut Saving Vaults, a feature designed to help you save money and reach your financial goals. To get started, make sure you have a Revolut account and the latest version of the app. First, let's understand what Revolut Saving Vaults are. Saving vaults are a type of savings account within the Revolut app that allows you to set aside money for specific goals or purposes. You can create multiple vaults for different goals, such as saving for a holiday, a new car, or an emergency fund. To create a saving vault, open the Revolut app, go to the dashboard, and click on the Vaults tab. Then, click on Create a Vault and choose a name for your vault. You can also add a target amount and a deadline for reaching your goal. Once you have created a vault, you can fund it by transferring money from your main Revolut account. You can also set up recurring transfers to make saving easier and automatic. For example, you can set up a weekly or monthly transfer of a fixed amount to your vault. One of the key benefits of Revolut Saving Vaults is that they are separate from your main account, which means you are less likely to spend the money on everyday expenses. You can also earn interest on your savings, which can help your money grow over time. To get the most out of Revolut Saving Vaults, make sure to set realistic targets and deadlines. It's also a good idea to prioritize your goals and focus on the most important ones first. Additionally, consider setting up multiple vaults for different goals, and use the app's budgeting tools to track your progress. In conclusion, Revolut Saving Vaults are a powerful tool for saving money and reaching your financial goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most out of this feature and achieve financial stability and success.